Here's Sebastian with his first fish of the day.
Not bad.
We're gonna put him on the board with 0.5.
Me and Ethan are tied with one fish.
No! Oh, you son of a gun! You can't do that. It's against tournament rules. Oh, there he is. Speaking of what? You stinking thing! How the heck does my drag slip? Whoa! Making him fight. Hey, put me on the board. I swear. Look at it. Right back there. Now I'd call this 0.5.
Let me see. How far did it go?
Like, the hook's so small that I can't do that.
Get your pliers.
Hey!
Remember that 0.2 I caught in here?
Alright, now I'm winning. It's 1 to 0.5. Oh my God! Yeah. Oh, that was huge. Yeah. There it is. Hey, whoa! Gosh, he's small. 0.25.
Yeah.
There we go. Super small on the wacky rig.
That.
Oh. It's all right. I'd say it's a 1. Yeah, that's a 1. It's a nice one.
Hey, Ethan with a good fish. Right of mine.
And it's starting to rain. Crud.
Nice fish.
Heck yeah. Dude, look at that hook set.
That's perfect.
No, I don't have my scale. That's a 1. You say 1.5 or what? 1. Nice. Yeah, I got one. That was quick. Oh, cast. I want to double up.
You want to double up?
Yeah, cast. Hey, that's a nice one. Hey, that's a nice one. Yeah, it's a good one. I got a fish. Yeah. Hey. Alright, number 2. Little guy, but nice. Yeah. Back to back.
No way.
That's a decent one. I think. Yeah, it's a 2. That.
No, he just took your.
No! Alright, well, it's raining, and I retied. I'm using the same Senko, so let's get it. Hey. No, I'm not losing him. I'm not losing him, you son of a gun. Came right out, look at that. Hey, I like it, I like it.